Welcome to another episode of Studying Like a Nation. Now, I've been working in a high school laboratory for a few years. When it comes to filtration, people's technique in folding the filter papers can go from the good, the bad, and the ugly. It's totally non-Asian, isn't it? Alright, anyway, for today's episode, I would like to dedicate to giving you some basic ideas that you would use when it comes to techniques in filtration, and hopefully you can use it to master your upcoming task. So let's get to it. Alright, so first step, bisect it such that it goes into halves. And remember, always fold it upwards. Okay. Next, turn it into quarters. Again, folding it upwards. Try not to put too much pressure on the crisp, otherwise you're going to damage the piece of filter paper. Alright, next, do 2 more folds to turn it into 1/8. So I'll do it here. Done. Okay, now that step 1 is over, you flip this 180 degrees, yay way, alright? And you will find where the creases were again, alright? And you want to bisect these arcs up here. So therefore, looking at this pair up there, I'll flip it upwards. Remember, always fold upwards. 1. Yeah, so there you go, that's another one. I'm going to bisect that one more time again. 2. This one up there, yeah. 3. And then one more time. 4. Okay, last step. Don't get too stressed out if this piece of paper resists to stay inside the funnel. As soon as you put a bit of weight in it from your liquid, it will stay there. Pro tip, you might want to add one of these bad boy up here. Right, it's just a modified paper clip. And instead to actually stop the pressure from the inside getting too much and overflows. And back in year 7 when you're crying, saying that my first filtration experiment, the speed I liquid flying out everywhere, this will stop it. Alright. Stirring rod, no, this is not for picking your nose, but rather it's there to guide your liquid into the filter paper. Try to guide to the side of the filter paper rather than right into the middle, and resist the temptation of stabbing your filter paper with your stirring rod. Okay, and there you go. Mission accomplished. Hope you enjoyed this episode, and don't forget, subscribe, like, and of course, study like a nation.